I'm a pro makeup artist. I'm gonna walk you through how to get the perfect wing liner.
This one is special for my hooded eye girlies, and I made it slow-mo so you can follow along. Using a dark brown instead of black is a great way to keep your eyes open. I like to start at the outer corner and then build that thickness gradually. When you get to the flick of the wing, you want to look straight into the mirror with your eyes open so you can see where the wing lands. Notice I'm just going around the fold, but if yours is more towards the edge, just go right over it. Flipping a pencil upside down like this just gives me better control of it. Now you should have what looks like a half wing. From there, I like to use a brush to shade towards the inner corner of the eye, keeping the liner really thin and precise. And also, you can use the same brush to extend the tail of the wing. I'm zooming in so you can get a better look of this, but if you mess up, do not worry. A little bit of concealer can fix everything and make it really sharp and precise. This is what you should have in the end, and of course, adjust to your eye shape.
That's it. If you haven't already, hit that follow button and share this with a friend, because you know I'm giving you all the tea.